Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to manage public post notification on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Then go down till we get setting and privacy. After that, click on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get public posts. Go down till we get public post notification. Here you can find 3 options. First one, everyone, means that you will get notification when anyone share, like or comment on your public post. Second option, friends of friends, means that you will get notification when your friends of friends share, like or comment on your public posts. Third option, no one, means that you will not get any notification in any cases. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to manage public post notification on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.